Hi, David here, the CEO and founder of the Freedom Founders Mastermind community. Half of 2022 is now officially over. We passed the mid-mark of the year, and what's happened this year? Well, a lot of volatility, a lot of disruption, certainly hangover from the COVID pandemic. We're into an inflationary mode that we haven't seen in over 40 years. We have the Federal Reserve fighting against inflation by raising interest rates, which is the cost of capital, cost of borrowing for everybody, which affects consumer spending, consumer confidence, and I could go on and on. The S&P, the worst start in a year, a half-year period of time since 1970. That's two generations. See, we're in a place, in a position right now in our economy, in our marketplace, that most people, if you're under the age of 45 or 50, you haven't experienced. You know the last 40 years, or you'll know the last 20 years, or maybe you know the last 10 years or 5 years, and they've been pretty strong because we've had this long wave of relatively low interest rates, cheap money, the Federal Reserve saving the day every time that the economy went into a little bit of a downward spiral. And I believe those days are over. Now, I'm not here to be a fear monger at all, not a bit. I feel good, I feel confident, but I feel confident that change is inevitable. That's what we talk about at Freedom Founders all the time. We're all about how to be more resilient in our businesses and our investments, and not playing the majority groupthink mindset that most people teach, most people fall into, the trap of the industry, the trap of Wall Street. These are all constructs that really have no relevance at all today. So instead of being fearful, instead of being scarcity minded, I just surround myself and have built a tribe, a community of Freedom Founders where we navigate together. We use the collective wisdom and experience and access points and invest totally contrarian and run our businesses many times very contrarian to the industry. It's the way to navigate. It's what you want to teach your kids. It's a big part of what we do in Freedom Founders: legacy, generational wealth, and resiliency and resourcefulness. This is what I want for my daughter. It's what our members want for their kids. We fight the good fight, meaning that we know how to navigate and find the voids in the marketplace, the opportunities, and not be hit and become victims of what most people are going to find is going to be choppy waters ahead. So what are you doing in your game plan? What changes are you making? What plan do you have? Who's your financial advisor who's going to help you navigate through this? I'm not here to downgrade people that work hard in the fields of finance and strategic planning, but goodness sakes, if they haven't seen downturns like this before, if they don't understand the inflationary forces and the headwinds ahead, how are they going to help you navigate it? This is what we do in Freedom Founders. And if you haven't found your place, your tribe, might be worth it to you to knock at the door a little bit and just see if this might be a place that would help you navigate your future. I'm David Phelps. We're all about freedom. You've got to focus on yours. Hope to talk to you soon.